Hello guys, welcome to the UltFone channel. People may accidentally delete their files on Lenovo for various reasons. Is it possible to recover them? The answer is yes. In this video, I will show you the best 3 ways to recover deleted files on Lenovo. Sometimes files are not deleted permanently. Instead, they are dropped in Recycle Bin, so you can recover files from it. Firstly, launch Recycle Bin on Lenovo from the desktop and then select desired files. Right-click and select Restore to recover the items to their original locations. Navigate to the folder that contained the deleted files. Click the folder and select Properties. Then, click the Previous Versions tab. Select from the available dates that are listed by the Auto Restore. After deleted files are found, click Restore. If you failed to retrieve deleted files with the former 2 ways, then try to use UltFone. UltFone Windows Data Recovery is specially designed to recover any data in any scenario. Also, it can recover from Windows computer, USB drive, SD card, and other storage devices. It only needs 3 steps to recover data with these powerful features. Now let's see how to use it. Step 1. Launch UltFone Windows Data Recovery on your Lenovo and select the location where you lost files. Step 2. Click Start button. Then it will start to scan your files. This process will take a few minutes. It depends on file size. Step 3. All deleted files are found. Now choose the previously deleted files and click Recover button. Then select a location to save these files. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day. See you next time.